Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the call only after the Fiverr order is placed. This protects both sides. Once agreed, pick a clear time and set a realistic duration. Make the Zoom meeting with a waiting room and password to avoid disruptions, then copy the meeting URL and meeting ID. Send that link inside Fiverr messages or the order requirements so everything stays documented. This ensures compliance and a smooth start. It also creates a timestamped record for disputes, or you should join 5 to 10 minutes early to test audio, camera, and screen share. Once on, make yourself host or co-host so you can control recording and waiting room admissions. Record only after getting explicit consent. Use screen share to walk through files and spotlight or pin the speaker to keep focus. Annotate when marking edits or changes so the buyer sees live feedback. Make sure to state decisions aloud as you progress, so there's no ambiguity afterward. You end by summarizing the agreed deliverables and next steps out loud so both sides leave with the same expectations. Once the call finishes, stop the recording and upload the video or file links directly to the Fiverr delivery page or paste the secure link in the order message. Ask the buyer to confirm receipt and mark the order appropriately. If Zoom drops or audio is bad, immediately record a concise voice summary and upload it within 24 hours as a fallback, so the project stays on schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.